having a guide or following a procedure when embarking on skin lightening has never been regarded as something of great importance. Many of us are guilty of this, including myself. Okay, you begin to wonder why your skincare products, especially your body lotions and creams, are not delivering on the desired result, and you never find answers to this. Luckily, I have already treated this in my previous video, so if you are yet to see that video, I would advise that after watching this video, go back and watch that video. Okay, it will be very unfair for you if you've not seen that video, or you are watching this one and then at the end of the day you did not see that video. So if you are someone who is already on the skin lightening journey, or you are about to embark on the skin lightening journey and you are seeing me for the very first time or seeing this video for the very first time, I would advise you go back and watch the other video immediately you are done watching this video. And not to worry, I'm going to put the link of the video in the description box, so you do not have to bother yourself. Immediately you finish watching this one, just go to the description box, click on the link to watch the video. Let me hear you say okay, okay, okay. Hello and welcome to Tonto Skin Glow. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I'm all about skincare products, matching creams with different skin types to give you that wow effect, making creams and soaps. And if this is something that you are interested in and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and let's be one big happy family. Okay, and click on the little bell by the side of the subscribe button. Now it is important to click on that bell, and because whenever I upload new videos, you will always be notified. Okay, so let's get started. So now I'm assuming that we are all on the same page. You have detoxified, you have exfoliated, you have used your lactic acid lotion 12%, and you have started using your lightening creams. Now, first of all, I like to state that there are so many lightening creams out there. Okay, now these days I realize that many of these companies no longer include hydroquinone in their ingredient listings. If you pick up a body lotion now from a beauty store and you look at the ingredient at the back, the people who are selling the product will tell you that this is a lightening cream, but when you look at the ingredient listing, you might not see anything there that indicates that that cream is actually lightening. I do not really know why companies are beginning to do this. I really do not know why they are doing that these days. Well, but it is very important that you become be very sensitive, be very alert when you are buying a skincare body cream or lotion. Okay, now the focus is on skin lightening, so you are out there looking for a product that will lighten your skin, and then you are looking for things that have hydroquinone and all that. But because of the fact that some of these companies these days no longer put the hydroquinone, even though the lotion or cream has hydroquinone, they no longer include it in their ingredient listings. There are ways you will know that a particular cream is lightening. The store owner can tell you, the people who buy the product, who are already used to the product, can tell you. You can know from family and friends, your friends can tell you, and all of those things. But it is very important, it is still very important that you do your research. But I will still say that you should look out for creams with hydroquinone. Look out for, even when there's no hydroquinone on it, you will see late eclarescent. I wrote it down, I beg, so that I don't come and cut my tongue. Late eclarescent. Anytime you see creams that comes like that, late eclarescent is a French word. I really don't know the meaning, but if you Google the meaning, I think eclaircissant actually means lightning, something like that. Okay, so when you see, and most of these creams are actually made in some of these French countries. Okay, so when you see creams written late eclaircissant, know that that cream is a lightening cream. Sometimes they will even write it there in English, lightening lotion or whitening lotion, or you look at the ingredient listings, you see hydroquinone, you see things like that, or mequinone, or you see hydrophenol. These are actually lightening actives, and these are things that contains hydroquinone. Having said that, you now are using a lightening lotion, okay? And let me not forget to also say that sadly there are some creams that are more lightening than the other. That is why you need the guide of a skincare therapist most of the time to know the efficacy or the strength of some of these creams. There are ingredients that help hydroquinone to deliver on its lightening abilities. Now those things, these ones, this particular aspect of skincare is very, very deep. I don't think I will be able to cover it in this video, but what I want this video to be all about is that how to start lightening, and then knowing when to take a break, knowing when to, knowing when to reintroduce the skin lightening products. All right, so that is what this whole video is all about. It is not about taking a particular cream and then trying to digest or do a review of a particular cream. No, this is not what this video is actually about. So now, assuming that you have taken a cream of choice and you have chosen, and I want to say that if you know that you don't want to get a cream, you can contact me. I can give you my cream. I have my own cream, okay? So, and if you don't want my cream, you can buy from any cosmetic shop, but it is important you know that the cream is a lightening cream because you want to embark on a skin lightening journey. So now when you start, after assuming that you have done all the things I said you should do as stated in the previous video, then you now start using your lightening cream. Okay, so now after using your cream for a period of 2 months, assuming that all things being equal, assuming that you have a regular skin that is not tough, okay, because there are some people to who their skin is very, very tough. You actually need a specialized attention for people who have very, very tough skin, that skin lightening creams don't work on them so easily. That is a specialized aspect of the whole skin lightening process. Okay, so if you know that your skin is very tough, it doesn't take any lightening cream at all. Even if you use lightening, it doesn't look like, but lucky you. I actually say that people like you are lucky, okay, because it is not easy for your skin to be damaged by all of these lightening active creams. All right, so if you are that kind of person, you can beat me up and let's discuss. So now moving on, I'm just saying that one is like a side talk. So now that you have started using your cream, okay, your lightening cream, after you have used the cream for a period of 2 months, it is important that you stop. Even though it is very, very likely that if you follow the procedure the way I have stated it in my previous video, under normal circumstances, that after 2 months you would have gotten your desired result. Now let's not talk about what if you did not get your desired result. Like I said, those are people who actually require specialized attention. Okay, so now assuming you've gotten your desired result after 2 months, that is the time that the cream will be sweeting you. That is the time it will be sweeting you. Everybody will be telling you, oh, your skin is beautiful, your skin is glowing, your skin is this, your skin is that. Omo, my friend, that is the time you should stop and take a break. Take a break, okay? Now, if you are the type, when you are taking the break, taking a break means you stop, okay? So now, when you stop that cream, at that time that people are telling you, oh, your skin is beautiful, even you yourself, you will be seeing it that your skin is actually lovely. Please, sister, I love you. Please take a break. All right, I cannot stress that enough. The reason why I'm shouting it like this is because many of us, that is the time it will be sweeting us. We will not want to take a break. Please take a break, sister. Take a break. The cream is not running away. You are going to go back to it. Now, if you are the type that doesn't take water during the break period, this is the time you should take lots and lots of water. Okay, the importance of water in the body system cannot be overemphasized. I for one am someone that I hardly take water. I don't know why, but I have to force myself to drink water because it is very important. Water helps you to flush toxins out of your system. Yes, because when you take lots of water, you urinate more, you sweat more. Did you see how important water is in this whole skin lightening journey? So if you are the type that doesn't take, it is important that you begin doing so. Now, lucky you if you are the type that drinks lots of water even when nothing is happening. Lucky you, because as you are drinking that water, your skin is actually, your body is actually going through constant detoxification. Okay, you sweat regularly, you urinate regularly. That is very, very key, because as you are, rubbing those creams into your body, there is constant overload of toxins in the liver. All right, so when you take lots of water, you energize your liver to push out all those toxins all the time. Okay, now during your break is the time to do a proper detox again. Like I said, detoxing in the beginning before you start. In the middle, you need to deliberately do a body detox, a system detox, and a blood detox again, to flush out the toxin buildup in the liver as a result of the lightening creams that you have been rubbing for the past 2 months. So during that 3 weeks of break, I didn't mention that your break should be up to 3 weeks. Yes, it is important that you take a 3 weeks break. During that break, what you are supposed to do is what I'm saying now, and learn to stay away from the sun. Many of us don't know that the sun is always working against skin lightening. If you are someone who has embarked on skin lightening journey, avoid the sun like a plague. Plague, plague now. Avoid the sun like you are avoiding sickness. That is how it is. Okay, so you learn to avoid the sun and concentrate on using creams during that period. Use creams with lots of AHAs. All right, so you have to be deliberate when you are on a skin lightening journey. Use creams with lots of AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, because they will continue to help you in your skin renewal and regeneration process. That is it, so that you do not go back to being that. Because one of the greatest fears that we have is that when we stop the skin lightening lotion or cream, we will immediately go back to being dark. So these are the things that you do. That is the time you make AHA your best friend. Okay, and concentrate on using them at night. But if you are abroad, you are in diaspora, you are overseas, where you have winter months and all of those things, where you do not have so much sun, you can use the cream day and night. Okay, for that 3 week period that you are outside of rubbing lightening creams. But during this 3 week period, please do not use any cream that has hydroquinone, mequinone, hydrophenone, mercury. Do not use any clobetasol. Do not use any of such creams at this time. Just use creams that have a high concentration of AHA. And if you want to use a cream, if you must rub cream during the day, because you can't do without rubbing cream, probably because you have dry skin, you can't go without rubbing creams. Try to look for creams that have a high concentration of vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C is a great antioxidant. Vitamin C is a skin soldier. It helps you to ward off the ultraviolet rays from the sun that affects your skin negatively. Now, do not get me wrong. There are different strengths of vitamin C. Please stay away from L-ascorbic vitamin C during the day. It is a very good antioxidant, but it is highly photosensitive. But because of the photosensitivity of vitamin C, that is why I'm telling you that you use a derivative of vitamin C. That is a lower grade of vitamin C, and still stay away from the sun. I cannot stress that enough. But there are so many creams like that. It's just that many of us don't have the patience to settle down and look for creams, these kinds of creams, or read ingredients. But if you are looking for or starting a skin lightening journey and you are looking for creams, you can beat me up. My number is here, okay? So we can talk, all right? So I can give you creams like that. Now there are lots of creams. Don't worry, very soon I'm going to do reviews of creams that have very high concentrations of vitamin C that you can use, that can help you when you are taking a break from skin lightening creams or lotions. Creams like that you can use during the day, and then creams that you can use at night. AHA is a very good anti-aging, okay? AHA, fantastic. And it helps you with skin regeneration process, all right, while you sleep. So in the evenings, you rub creams with AHAs, all right? So this is how you go about it. And make sure you detoxify and wait for when you want to reintroduce the lightening cream afresh. So I want to believe this video, I didn't want it to be too long because last time it was just too long. So today's own is short and precise, I hope. If there are creams you want me to do review on for you, just let me know in the comment section below, and then I will work towards helping you do such reviews. Now that you during your 3 weeks break, you do all of these things. Like I said, take lots of water to flush off toxins, okay, from the system. Use vitamin C lotion during the day, not L-ascorbic vitamin C. There are lower grades of vitamin C lotions that you can use during the day. But even if you are still using them during the day, it is important that you stay away from the sun still, okay? Stay away from the sun. See, let me tell you, I do not joke with my glasses. When I'm going out in the sun, I must wear glasses. This is it. I wear my glasses. I wear it. It is not because I like it, but because I need to protect my face from the sun. And this one is not really the very best of glasses. It's not really the very best, when but at least it's better than nothing. And when I want to enter my car, when it is hot, after using these glasses like this, I will open the doors of my car and allow the heat to come off the car before I even try to step in. Even sometimes I even beg someone to help me start the car and put on the AC before I enter the car. That is how serious it can be. And tomorrow, nobody knows the effort you put in, but everybody sees you and say, oh, you've got a gorgeous skin, oh, you've got a beautiful skin, but they do not know the sacrifice that is in it. Let me tell you, if you know that you are not ready to do any of these sacrifices that I'm saying right now, don't bother to start your skin lightening journey, because you will just abuse the process. You will end up with a skin that is not what you wanted, and all of those things, okay? So I love you all. Stay blessed. See you again next week Sunday.